If you're hunting for a powerful cordless vacuum without paying Dyson prices, the Xiaomi G20 Max might have caught your eye. But the real question is it actually better than Dyson or just another budget alternative? Let's break it down. So the Xiaomi G20 Max is a cordless stick vacuum boasting strong suction, long runtime, multiple cleaning modes, versatile attachment, and a backless design. It's aimed at people who want a powerful all-in-one cleaning tool, and it often gets compared to higher-end vacuums, especially Dyson models like the V11 or V15. So does it stack up? In real-world tests, the G20 Max delivers very strong suction, plenty for daily debris, pet hair, and dust. In many cases, it rivals mid-tier cordless models and picks up fine particles well on both carpet and hard floors. With multiple heads, a motorized floor brush, crevice tool, mini turbo brush, it handles couches, stairs, car interiors, and floors confidently. Battery life varies by mode. High power runs shorter, 10 to 15 minutes, but standard modes can go 20 to 30 minutes, which is competitive in this class. Overall, Xiaomi's performance punches above its price point, and it's impressive for the money. But how does it compare to Dyson? Dyson has proven highly engineered suction and airflow design, longer battery life in premium models, smoother transition between floor types, better dustbin seals and filtration, HEPA on many models, and wide reliable dealer support network. For the Xiaomi G20 Max, it has strong suction and good accessories for the price. Solid cleaning performance for homes without heavy pet use. Battery and filter are good, but not quite at Dyson's top-tier engineering. Support and after-sales and long-term reliability might be weaker depending on region. In head-to-head legendary durability and deep clean consistency, Dyson still generally leads. The G20 Max closes the gap impressively, but it's not universally better. So the Xiaomi G20 Max makes sense if you want a budget-friendly, powerful cordless vacuum. Great for everyday performance on floors and upholstery, and a strong alternative to mid-range Dyson models. It's less ideal if you want absolute top-tier filtration and peak battery life, long-term brand support and service, and best-in-class deep carpet cleaning without compromise. So is the Xiaomi G20 Max better than Dyson? Not overall. Dyson still tends to be more refined and powerful overall, but for the price, the G20 Max is an excellent value alternative that delivers serious performance and is absolutely worth considering if you're not aiming for premium flagship Dyson power and support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.